Hey Wigglies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to basically just be painting on wood. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Bye! Okay Wigglies, so this video was actually supposed to be a DIY room decor video, but I just thought of it and I was like, there's not really any DIY. It's mostly just me painting on wood and just gonna use it as decor, so I don't want to call it that. The first painting that we're doing is just basically this lavender painting. I painted the background like this really light pink, peachy pink, and then the lavenders I just put a base of a darker purple. And I know this doesn't really, this kind of looks lavender, at the same time it's not the correct shape, I would say, for a lavender. But that's okay. It's okay. We're not gonna cry about it. Okay, maybe we cried a little bit, just a tiny bit, just a little, poquito, just poquito. Okay, basically that's what we're doing, and I used this canvas. This canvas was this wood panel was about like $3 for 3. No, it was 5 for 3. And then the circles I'm going to use later on was $1.89 for 6. So yeah. Editing me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Also, sorry for this like weird lighting situation. I'm not at my house. I'm at my cousin's, so we have to improvise. And peep the nail change in this video, because I ended up doing this video like 3 days, and I don't know why it took me that long, but it happened. So basically I actually put some purple lavender color at the sides, because I felt like it just didn't have enough spice, just a little spice in it. So that's what I did. Yep, I did that. Now I'm adding just like the lighter purple to kind of give it more dimension and just differentiate. I don't know how to say this word. So I'm basically did those steps for all 3 of the what are they called again? Lavenders. And I'm just let you guys listen to music. And then I basically just wrote lavender on it, even though it's lavender. I don't know why. Final result. For this next routine, I basically, the background color was like this nice purple lavender color. Then I changed it to this light pink because I thought it would suit it better. I'm eating an ice pop and it's just so good. Okay, for this face color, I basically wanted to paint it brown, but then I ended up not liking it because dark brown just does not suit it. So I changed it to a lighter brown. I used the color Verdilian, I don't know what color it was, but it was a green color, and I added white to it because I didn't like how dark it was, and it just didn't suit the plant. It just didn't suit the plant well, so I added some white to it because I thought it would make it a little more better. Okay, so I added this light pink circle because I feel like the plant just itself just did not like suit it. Like I needed more spice, basically. Finished product. Okay, so this thing was mostly just an inspirational thing. It was like, God's got me, like I don't have to worry, whatever, like that. Then just I did some like daisies, but it kind of like sunflowers. I don't know what was going on. It just wasn't giving. The light changed like 3 times. This one was a mess, but I still really like this either way, so I hope you guys like it too. For this painting, I have no clips of me making it. I just have this little montage of me like showing you guys the finished product. So I'm so sorry. I forgot to film my outro, so here. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. I hope you guys really like this video. Bye.